Hey guys, welcome back to Good Fortune. My name is Nidhi and I welcome you back here. Thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing onto my channel, guys. I am so happy and I don't know how do I express that, but I'm super happy, guys. So let's get started with today's video, but let me tell you what it is. I know you guys have already guessed looking at the thumbnail, but let me introduce today's video to you guys. Is that today I'm going to take you to my childhood, guys. It's gonna be so amazing because I'm already curious to show you everything. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, randomly starting with the first picture, and I have the picture of my 12th birthday. I have some 4 cuties with me. This is Richa, Sarth, Ruchel, and Runal. These two are my cousins and these two are my friends, and we were having a great birthday party, guys, with a chocolate cake, never to be missed because chocolate is my favorite. So yeah, next picture. Can you focus? My god, this camera. Okay, so this is another cute picture of me, and I brought this picture specially because I have this dog still, and yeah, I love him. I want to have dogs, but my mama is like, no, we can't have. So abhi to isse kaam chala rahi hu main, and I love him. Though he was just lying and he got dirty, I'll definitely get a clean up for him. Okay? Okay, you go now. So yeah, this is the picture with my favorite toy. Next one. That's with my dad. I look super cute in that dress and those shoes. I look super cute, and my dad, how do I forget? He looks super handsome. Okay, so yeah, it is little blurry, but yeah, I love this picture, so I thought why not show you. Going to the next picture. Yeah, also I have posted this picture recently on my Instagram. So yeah. Next picture is from Murdeshwar. We did go there. I don't know who inspired this pose, but I look good though. Also, my dress look good. This is a divided skirt, I would like to tell you, because I am in search of such skirts now as well. Divided as in from behind it looks like a pant, and from front it's a skirt. So yeah, those were my favorite skirts, and I miss this dress. Now I would like to show you two pictures together. Why? Because these are my fancy dress ka pictures, and I'm clearly and obviously not interested in any of them. Like, this was from my third standard ka fancy dress competition when I had become the Krishna ji, and this is from my fourth standard ka fancy dress where I was the I had become Jhansi ki Rani, and I clearly remember that I had forgotten my lines. So yeah, this is my fancy dress wala memories, and good job Kaka. You made me participate in this because I have this pictures with me where I can just sit, look and laugh at this. But yeah, I too look cute, by the way. Moving on. So next picture is when we had gone on the Raigad. This is the Raigad wala picture, and it was super breezy there. It was so cool, but also super hot because it's on heights, and we, after this trip, we got super tanned, every one of us. So yeah, yeah, this is from the Raigad picture. This pose, mama told me about this pose when we have to not look at the camera but look at somewhere else. Yeah, trying to be a candid picture. This is when I was, I think, around 17 or 18. We had visited Munnar, Ooty, Munnar, that side, and this is the picture from the tea plantation. Okay, this is okay, this is the thing. That is the sack type thing that they put on their shoulders and go in the plantation, pluck the tea leaves and get. So that is how they explained it to us, and I know that was that way. Anyways, so yeah, this is the picture from the tea plantation, Munnar. Moving on, next picture. Oh, this is a paparazzi shot. Now, if you guys do not know what is paparazzi, let me explain it to you that Bollywood celebrities that, these days just walk in anywhere or even on the streets or in Mumbai, especially when they are going somewhere, the airport or anywhere, they are just clicked by the media people anywhere, anyhow, and they look super cute. Like if I go randomly somewhere and my friends even click a picture, I look so bad. Okay, but they look super candid with their hair flowing and stuff, and this is exactly what I am looking right now. Look at me in that skirt and the dress and the sandals or the shoes. What am I wearing? Oh, those are the sandals, and that's a paparazzi shot. I believe I look like a diva. Anyways, yeah, but this is a special. This is a picture clicked at Gokarna, if you know, with my Ai, Mama and Kaka. And this looks like a paparazzi shot though, and I look super candid. I know I'm really photogenic, guys, but in my childhood days, now I really have to get myself prepared and then pose for a picture. But anyways, the next picture is this. Oh, goodbye, kitty cute. I know. I look like I am told to sit in this position. Like, sit like this only or sit like this only. It's type of a thing where my smile is also like, kya karu? Anyway, so yeah, this picture was clicked in a studio because there was a program on Doordarshan channel. We did not have cable at that time, and there was Doordarshan. So in the morning, 7 or 8 o'clock, some program used to come where they used to show different pictures of small babies on their first, second, third, and up to I think fifth birthday. So this was I think my third or fourth birthday, and we were my photo was supposed to come on the picture. So that is the reason this picture was clicked. It did come, but we could not shoot it because no video cameras. Bad, but yeah, I have this picture. I have 3 to 4 in different poses, but I think this was the one which came on TV. So yeah, I did come on TV, by the way. Moving on. Okay, so this is again a very cute photo from my 4th birthday with 2 of my cute cousins. This is Anisha, and that's Akshay gifting me something on my 4th birthday, and Anisha clearly not happy with the gift being given to me, so she's like, give it to me yaar, Akshay please, I know what the gift is, so please give it to me. Bad mimicry, but I know you were thinking the same, but if not, then don't kill me. Next picture. Okay, again a paparazzi shot. This is Amboli waterfall, and I look so good. Next picture is from my 5th birthday. That is with my mom. That's okay, the dress is not clear. That's a lemon color t-shirt inside, and over that we have a blazer, silver color blazer and silver skirt with white shoes and socks, completely looking beautiful again. Oh my god, guys, I wanted these shoes back, but my mom also doesn't remember where are these shoes, whether she gave it to someone or whether we lost it or whether they were torn off. I don't remember, but I want such shoes. But yeah, my 5th birthday, everyone. Next picture. Okay, I don't know who I was looking at, but definitely not the camera, because I was not understanding anything related to the camera concept or the photography thing. So I'm like, who cares? Hakuna Matata. Anyways, so yeah, I have this photo framed at my other house, but I should definitely get one more for me in this house as well. So yeah, this is again a picture. Now this was the single picture. I'll show you one with Mama and Papa in the same studio. Again, we look super cute. Okay, this photo frame I have in my haul. I will show you in some future vlogs, definitely. So yeah, this is with my mom and dad, and this is the single picture we clicked. Don't we look super cute? We are. Next picture is, okay, when I had visited Shirdi. That's me in that sweater and beanie, and mama looking super cute in the sun. Guys, please focus. Okay, I'll show you from here only. So this is when we went to Mount Abu. I did visit here with my Bharatnatyam classical dance wala group. So I had all my friends, and this was my turn to click a picture, and other friends were waiting, but they came into the frame. So yeah, we all went there for my Bharatnatyam dance performance in Mount Abu. So yeah, again, this is the best thing. So where did I get my dancing skills? I was always a dancer. If you don't really trust me, I always was interested in dancing. Now here, I am right here. If you can see this girl. So yeah, this was my higher KG or lower KG wala picture. LKG or UKG, if you don't understand what is higher and lower. Sorry, but yeah, this was one of the pictures from the annual day. Deep Vihar Primary School annual day function. Okay. And yeah, so then this was when I was in third, fourth, fifth standard, the 3 years which I learned Bharatnatyam. This is the last and the latest picture that we clicked, and this picture is from Ellora Caves. Again, me, mama and kaka. It is an amazing one. This is I think 1 or 2 years before COVID would ruin our lives. So yeah, and then I could never really travel because I don't think I got to explain it to you. You know it already. So yeah, I'm waiting for this to get over, guys, and travel again and capture some more pictures. And rather, now that I've started vlogging, I won't be clicking more pictures, but it would be vlogs on my channel. So yeah, I am more excitedly waiting for this corona to get over, and we get a chance to travel. So yeah, this is the last picture. So I am so glad I have done this video. I hope you guys as well liked it, and yeah, if you guys liked it, also like this video, share this with as many people as you know, share and subscribe because it's free. And if the people who are new to my channel, also please do subscribe and don't leave without doing that, and hit on the bell button so you get all my video notifications. And that's it, guys. So until the next video, bye.